Hypnotic Records.
Break down the walls, part 2.
Isa-isa kong ninilatag ang katotohanan sa mga nabulag ng awitin na ibang lahi ang lumika. Tapos anong ginawa? Kami patuloy ang may sira, abuso sa amin tunay at mga bagong makata.
Now we're bringing it back, it's the vocalic attack. Fuck, for those who don't understand the meaning of the track. And now you're trying to break us down. But here's the good news, player, we're not the one who's goofing around.
Ngayong kami na lamang ang natitira, ay iwas ka pa ba sa katotohanan na wala nang iba? Hahayaan naming matatili ang ganitong sistema, kaya lang hindi sa forma nakikita ang talento,
Now
diba?
you're threatening me with me or shaking our knees cause of all your G's. Ain't afraid of it, y'all, and ain't feeling it, bro. Just to pull the trigger of your gun. This he was the first one lying on the ground, y'all. Resurrection for the underground, but you're trying to bring us down. You're fighting with the righteous ones for the breakdown. Break down the walls, y'all. Resurrection for the underground, but you're trying to bring us down. Urban with the righteous ones for the breakdown. Break down the walls, yeah. One motherfucker, time motherfucker. That's what you get from bailing us. All you niggas, we ain't gonna stop. We're the one to bail it out. Blood will flow, so you'll know what I'm talking about.
Wala nang tigilan hanggang matapos na isa natin silang igapos. Stage doon nagdadala ka talaga sa agos. Mga katagang hindi mo na napipigilan. Tingnan natin kung sino ang dapat tunay na
I'm not
lapitan.
electric, I know you fucking fucked it. You're all affected, you hate it, I love it. You're envious cause we made it to the top now. With the new urban players, no one can stop now. Damn.
Wala nang takasan, wala nang urungan. Dadaan natin ito kahit sa murahan. Di mo naman nakalangan na gawin ang mga bagay na wala namang kinalaman sa bagay nating nasimula. Wala ka nang kalulugaran.
Resurrection for the underground, but you're trying to bring us down. We're fighting with the righteous ones for the breakdown. Break down the walls, yeah. Resurrection for the underground, but you're trying to bring us down. Urban with the righteous ones for the breakdown. Break down the walls, yeah.
Just in their asses, 11 speeches. Nobody can stop my rhymes when I start the execution of my lyrical exhibitions like a mass explosion. World domination, abomination. Yeah, it's the veteran, better start to run. It's the old CDC, still shining on your profile. Making a center ass, smoking in the pile of rhyme. Stop, better stop. You can let you back, cause I'm about to attack, no time to act it whack.
Representing my nigga with the urban clan, the BICOLANO G. With my talk from my homeland, back to 97 with my homies from the city. This is my talk, my G and my homie. A collaboration for our own station, creating our own world, the hip hop nation. Different styles, different moves, different attacks, divided into one to produce a new tracks. And practice what we are, like a virus, spreading like a big breaking news. With my homies at my back and we're all ready to attack. So back up, back up.